We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clear a paper jam, and I'm working with a Brother HL2770dw. So, first thing I do, I always like to check my tray. So, if you pull it out and you see a little bit of paper right here, go ahead and just gently and slowly pull the paper out. You never want to yank or go really fast. If you do, it could rip some paper off in there and cause more jams, or you could also damage a sensor, which would cost more money to repair and cause more jams as well. So always check your tray first. If it's not in your tray, you can check in the back. It would just be like right here. So yet again, you would just take it, gently pull up and out. Don't yank or pull really fast. Then one other place that it might be is under your drum. So go ahead and pull all that out. And if you see it here, once again, pick it up, gently pull it out. You want to try to follow your paper path as much as you can. A lot of times we don't know what the paper path is if you're an individual. So just try to pull gently and out as much as you can. So those are all the places that you will find a jam in your printer. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.